Okay, so find all the values of phi here in the range between 0 and 360, satisfying this here. Now when you've got an equation involving trigonometry, okay, there's two sort of rules we need to bear in mind, okay? The sine squared plus cos squared is 1, but when you look at this, there's no sine squared and cos squared in sight, okay? So we've got to then think about the other rule, which of course is the tan theta rule, yeah? Tan is sine over cos. So in this case, we're going to use that rule there, okay? You might be wondering how on earth can this come into play here? Well, what I can do is, if I take that minus 5 over sine over the other side, okay, as so, okay, so it becomes a plus. What I can do then is sort of cross multiply, so I can take that sine, because you're dividing by sine, if I take it over to the other side and times, so I end up with that, yeah, because I'm dividing by sine, take it over and times. And what I can do, of course, then is take the 3 over and divide. So I could have done that in one step. So I've got sine over cos, which is 5/3, but we need to appreciate then that sine over cos is simply tan, right? So then I'm going to find the set of solutions then between 0 and 360. Okay, so I'm going to do tan to the minus 1 of 5/3. And it comes out to be 59.0 degrees. Okay, so what I do then is, of course, I'm going to draw my tan graph. Okay, so it's the one between 0 and 360. So remember then, with a tan graph, it goes on forever, doesn't it? Tan does, so tan 90 and so on. There's an asymptote there, so we remember all that there. So what I'll do then is, when I draw my axes, if I mark out every 3 centimeters to be 90 degrees, okay, asymptote then at 90 degrees, and at 270, you can check on your calculator, because you can type in tan 90, you can type in tan 270, and it'll say math error, okay? Okay, so the tan graph there essentially looks like this. And remember now, if you can't remember where the curve's going, you don't know if it's up here or down here, just you know, put tan 0, 0, and go in the middle somewhere. Check what tan 45 is, okay? And you'll realise then it's positive. Okay, and then we've got that there. Now, 5/3, I don't know where that is here, because I said we haven't really got a scale here, but we know 59 degrees is roughly about, say, there. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line across there to see where it hits the curve again, and it hits the tan graph there again. So you can see then my solutions, well, phi will be 59.0. The other solution, of course, due to symmetry, you've got 59.0 across there. So same across there then from 180, it would be 180 plus 59.0. So phi will be 59.0, 239.0.